Okay. Your face is clean. I'm gonna spray some Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And I'm going to roll my face first. This is great because I suffer from a lot of sinus and allergies, and this helps drain out your lymphatics in your face anytime you feel like puffy or anything like that. So I'm gonna do this. I will put some music on for you guys. Cooking is going on in the background, but yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna tone. I just put the spray on so that the face wouldn't be so harsh since I just washed my face. I'm gonna tone with a brush. I will list everything down below. And I'm gonna do my Aloe Hyaluronic face serum, just 2 drops. For eye cream, I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I love how good this is, and you only need a little. I'm gonna continue to let the oil sink in. I'm just gonna brush the brows. I let the product sink in simply because I don't want build-up. Sometimes when you don't let the face dry fast enough, you get those little balls on your face. That's the product telling you that it, one, didn't work with the other product good, or two, you didn't let it dry for a long enough time. I hate when I miss a spot in my hair. Like, you see that? It's gonna sabotage me. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna do face moisturizer. Kate Somerville, the exfolikate. I absolutely love this cream. I like to make sure I get in this area because it's my problematic area, since I'm always blowing my nose. Then I'm going to add some hyaluronic acid. This is from Vitamin C and Beauty, and I'm gonna do 2. I love this. Love this. Hyaluronic acid is so good for your face. Firms, tones, softened, smooth. Now I remove that off my lips. I'm gonna put some moisturizer. And then I'm gonna add my same brand, Kate Somerville, the active concentrates. I, again, have been enjoying this product. And yeah, I do it morning and I do it at night. For me, the skin routine stays the same morning and night except for the moisturizer. At night I will do a night mask. I use Laneige. It's the water sleeping mask. It's really good. I'm almost done. As you can see, I really do use it. But yeah, that's what I do for my skin. This is how it looks after. This crazy brow. She's always playing me, you know. And that's it for the picture. I curled my lashes just because they were like dead and like, down like right now, and it makes such a big difference to curl your lashes, because look at that. And that's it. That is my face. This is my skin. This is how I look without makeup. Yeah, I'm always intrigued to try new products. This is kind of what's been working for me for months now. But if you have a favorite regimen, skincare routine, let me know down below so I can try it out. I mean, all we have is time now, right? But yeah, I hope everyone has an amazing day.